Opa! There's another one up in the sky. Okay. Nice. Very nice. I have to bend myself all over to be able to follow him. But see, just by the tree, and we're gonna keep getting him and seeing how far we can follow him. Another one is flying back to Calgary. Bienvenue to Calgary. Welcome back home. Neat, huh? Wow. Look how far. Yes. And by the Glenmore Reservoir, it's all icy. But we enjoy that beautiful scenery. You can see how nice it is. It's all icy, and that's where I just walk. That's why I have to be careful so I won't fall down. Wow, 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 wow. But it's nice. Hope you like it, because we have winter back in Calgary.